Hey guys, good morning everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. How is everyone doing? Welcome back again to Chichi Lifestyle. If you're today is your first time watching my video or seeing me, this is a Chichi Lifestyle, a new YouTuber based in Plateau State. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, okay? Do well to like, do well to comment, okay? And also please help me share. So in this my video, we do a lot of cooking. How we do our cooking in the village. So in today's video, we are going to be cooking ABC soup. You know this village ABC soup, and so that's what we are going to be making for now. So I'll go to the market. See, I clean that in my body. See, I clean it in my body. I'm not paying you to carry it. It's you that carry it in my body. Wash out. Your hand is not dirty. So stay tuned to the video, guys. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. So like I said, Jesus Christ, I don't know why this milk is too much. Like, the smoke is too much, honestly. It's really disturbing my eye. It's hot. Trying to cold water that use on washing. Go outside, the smoke is too much. Go outside. Go, baby. You know this still stop you again. Let me do fast and come out. Mama is too much. So guys, I'm washing the fish with the hot water. I'm washing it with hot water. I don't want to waste time here, so I'm going to be putting everything together. I don't want to take them. Come on, take. Thank you. You know, say thank you. Guys, a new fast water will use the kitchen. The smoke is really disturbing me, honestly. Oh, this is my Maggi. I'm going to be adding it. I've added my salt already. Cover it and allow them to marry themselves. So guys, at this point, yeah, since the seeds has done, so we're going to be adding our pretty red oil. So here is my melon, which is ABC, right? ABC. I bought some Thank you. Okay. So. Our soup is almost ready. It's still watery. You see? So I think I need to add more thickener. Yeah. I will add small thickener. Then add add a little salt. Then my bitter leaf. So I'm using bitter leaf to make the soup. Who is this? Who? Butangu. This one that what? Eh? That what? I'll beat at you. I'll beat at you. Daddy, I'm just looking for your trouble. Come on, yeah? Daddy, see the bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. Chisom, ị ga-aga shop ba? Bute flask, site dị mgbe ị ga-adị na nke ochie ahụ. Nke ọhụrụ na-adị sami sami. Na-achị ji awala ebe njide adị shiba. Gị bute flask. Oh guys, at this point our food is ready. So guys, it's time to do this swallow. Soup is ready. Now using the swallow. So guys, our curry is ready. It's ready. This is our swallow.